Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure Airtel 5G is live in your area and your device supports 5G bands. Once done, check your SIM. Older SIMs may not be provisioned for 5G, so you may need a swap. Make sure your plan explicitly includes 5G or is eligible for activation. Start the carrier app or call customer care to request 5G enablement now. Prompt activation avoids delays and ensures the network recognizes your device and plan. Next, you activate both the SIM and the device. Use the Airtel app or call to confirm 5G is provisioned on your SIM. If not, get a 5G-ready SIM swap at a store. Then, on your phone, set network mode to 5G or NR/auto and reboot the phone so the network can authenticate the change. Make sure carrier settings and firmware are up to date. These updates handle band compatibility and improve handshake with local 5G cells, which is why they matter. Finally, you confirm the connection and resolve issues. Look for the 5G icon and run a speed test to verify performance. Slower speeds may indicate NSA versus SA modes or local congestion. If 5G does not appear, toggle airplane mode, reboot and reseat the SIM, then try another location closer to an outdoor window. If problems persist, contact Airtel with your IMEI and SIM number. Request a provisioning and tower registration check, so technicians can diagnose signaling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.